Alright, hello there. Welcome back to another video. You might realize the set has changed here. I'm filming a different location to get some quiet. But it's January 27th, 2023. I got like 5 videos queued, I just haven't had time to edit them. But I got these parcels, 2 Amazon things. I'm in Canada, but they still say .com. But I just ordered recently Anker Nano 265 watt brick. I believe that's this. I don't know. It's from the same vendor, but they ship it separately. And I believe this is a charge code. It's fuel swap. So this is a 100 watt charge code, 65 watt brick. I already de-stickered these packages in the interest of, you know, being my address secret. I'm filming the GoPro Volta. This is a Series 6. I'm working on getting some other mounts. I gotta say though, I don't really like these Amazon bags. So I know these Anker Nanos are, okay, Series 7. Oh, big whoop. I got a mismatched charger. So I know these are supposed to be like the size of, like, I'll just adjust the camera. iPhone cords, or iPhone bricks, like the 5 watt iPhone bricks they used to give you. But I got some scissors today in case I need them. So let's see. Anker charge faster with more. Nothing special. I got the 6-foot model because it was like $3 Canadian more to get the 6-foot model. So I'm like, why not? Of course, I bring scissors to be safer. It doesn't even. Oh my god. Oh no. Yeah, I'm just gonna peel it off. I have a jerry rig knife on the way, but I'm in Canada, so I ordered 2 business day shipping, but it's taking multiple business days. It's been out there for 5. So I just got the black cord gray brick. So, see, FCC statement. Don't care. Okay, so let's see. No, I'm not a fan of the strap color, but it's bronze, looks okay. This does feel nice because it's like a nice kind of silicone, because the Amazon listing said there's like a newer version of this product. Just saying, because that's cool. And then it's like, I looked at it, it's like, it said like biodegradable. So I'm like, I don't care. It's using recycled materials. This is cool. It's got like, you can't see it, but you kind of see it. It's got engravings on it. This is all the same things. I like this box though. It's a cool idea. This one comes half opened. In a good way, not in a bad way. Yes, like what other videos do I have? I went go-karting at Castle Fun Park. I got that to upload, edit. I got a GoPro Chesty unboxing. I have to upload. Gonna order some GoPro mounts hopefully. Anker.com/split. I do want Anker mounts. I bought their micro SD card reader recently for the GoPro. Oh great. Okay, this is heavy. This is like heavy. I thought this was like light. This is like dense. This is like double the weight of a normal charging brick, I'd say. It's a weird sensation. I guess gallium nitride is dense. I don't know. All I know is it's fast. That's all I know. So I know it's like the premium material for making chargers now. And this was premium. This cost me $94.98 Canadian, but I paid with a gift card. So this charging brick was like $50. And the cord is like, actually no, charging brick was like $60. I got it with prime pricing. And then the charging cord was like, I don't even know what this was. This is like $30 or something in tax. Let's see, Anker. Just some general safety warnings. I do like the fact that it has flip out prongs though. Okay, so they feel good on the way out, but it feels like you're gonna break them on the way down. There's no release, but it does look nice. It's a little taller than you would think. Here's my finger for reference. I don't know a better reference. Here's some scissors. They got the dimensions left on the website. So currently this is my charging setup. So like I have this like cat work light, and then this brick comes from that. So this is a 5-watt brick. My GoPro, most of my things charge in a 15-watt range, and this is the GoPro cord. So I wanted something in that range. So you can see it's because this goes in like this goes in like this, so it's obviously way taller. So it takes up more space, but still not blocking anything. The width is about the same, but like when it's packed up, this is all more compact. And the thickness is of course different. Okay, so is this cord double-sided? Okay, no it's not. It says there you go. It says Anker on this side. So overall, these both feel quality. IQ, so okay, yeah, so here, let me just take this strap off this cord. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Okay, yeah, that's nice 6 foot. 6 foot is probably a little excessive, but I haven't seen this in any product photos. This must be some new thing. Yeah, so I will show us in the wall in a second, but this is how it'll be in the wall. It's like this. Just searching for a power outlet. I'm in a stairwell right now, there's not many power outlets. Yeah, so this is really the only purpose. I want this to charge my GoPro. I don't know what else to say. Haven't used it yet. Suppose I should use it. It's a nice upward angle, so you got the brick. So it's like this. It just goes in. This wall is weak. Okay, so here's the size comparison for a normal North American outlet. So here's the front. This is Canadian, North American, same thing, so it sticks out a decent amount. But this isn't much bigger than those iPhone bricks. Nice and compact. Depending what you have, you can still stick something up here. I believe if you were to stick it up here, then it works. Yeah, so technically I did overpay because I got the 65-watt brick and the 100-watt cord. Because this brick is the most it makes, so I'm plugging into the GoPro now. So it's charging. So at 85%, we'll see how long this takes. No Volta, but what is it? This is a max wattage brick Anker makes right now. Why is it not charging? As of, what is it, January 27th, 2023. They make like a triple port version, but I figured that's so much bigger, I don't need it. So I did not get the triple port version. And then this charge cable is 100 watts. Although except for like a few Asian phones, I don't know of anything that could reach 100 watts. I've had trouble charging through this media mod before too. I don't know why.